IDC Woodcraft, CNC router bits. Because your CNC projects absolutely must look amazing. IDCWoodcraft.com. Hey, what's up, my CNC brother or sister? I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft. Welcome to the weekend and this weekend update video. I'm getting ready to head up to my daughter's to see her and my grandkids, but I wanted to shoot this video for you first because I want to ask for your input on something that I am making a decision on, a bit of a change that I am going to be doing on the IDC Woodcraft channel. A couple of things that I want to bring you up to speed on first though, and then ask for your help. So the first thing is that I am going to open myself up to mentoring and coaching you if you are looking to get into a CNC business and really don't know how to start a business, but want to start it the right way. The mentoring and coaching that I am going to be offering is not a light duty thing. This is a commitment where if you are thinking, oh yeah, I'd like to get some input and maybe Garrett can help me, that's not going to work. This is serious mentoring coaching to teach you about business and the marketing aspects of business and marketing psychology and helping you find a niche. And the big thing is understanding what's going on up here and what may be holding you back from getting into your own business. When it comes to business, it's a very different animal and it requires a certain knowledge and a certain skill. So I am going to make myself available to 3 people on a very committed basis for 3 months. I do want to let you know up front that it's not free. I'm not giving my time away because I have a business skill and I want to help the right person who has the right drive. So if you're interested in business mentoring coaching, the #1 criteria is full commitment. If you're just thinking you want to do it, maybe, then that's not going to work. So if you're interested, we'll go get on a Zoom call for about a half an hour and then we'll just talk and see if there's a good fit here. Send me an email. My email link will be down below if this is something that you are seriously interested in. There's a number of reasons why you may be wanting to do that. #1, you're just tired of the 9 to 5, you're completely burnt out, and you just feel like you're walking in the doors going, oh my God, I gotta do this again, and you feel it sucking the life out of your soul. That's one type of person. The other one is the one that's retired or is retiring and deciding, you want to do something else. You still need something to give you purpose, but you're really not sure how to navigate into this new world of CNC. That's the next type of person. And the last one is the professional who is, you know what, I just want to start another business, or I want to just do something else that's going to give me a brand new challenge and I need the right guidance. When it comes to our personal growth, it really is about learning from those who already know. So that's the offer. If you're interested in this, again, I'm just going to say right now, it's not free. I got to tell you this because this is so important. If you come to me and say, first of all, Garrett, how much are you going to charge? Then that's absolutely a no-go. It's not a deal, because if you're worried about the money first, then it's not even a point. Getting a business is not about the money. It's about how can you give value so that people will pay you, and understanding the psychology behind that. So we're going to do this with 3 people, 3 committed CNC brothers or sisters who are willing to commit for at least 3 months. This is solid stuff. So email me on that and we'll get into it. And I will be very honest with you. If it's not a good fit, I will say, no, you're not ready. The next thing is what I need your help on. This is what I have to deal with when I'm shooting videos, and most of the time I have to restart when I get that background noise, but not this time. Okay, what I need your help on is I am making a change to this channel. I am no longer going to be teaching the step-by-step how Vectric works and making dedicated videos for that, at least most of the time. I'm going to get more into project work. I think that's what I'm going to be getting into. Of course, I need you to tell me what you want from me as a as an expert CNCer, expert designer. I want to know what kind of projects that you would like to see me do on this channel. So I'm thinking that I would do projects and give you walkthroughs of the project. So I got this bowl in the mail some time ago from Scott. So I owe him a video, which you would see as well, on how to create a bowl that he made on a lathe. He wants to know how to do it on the long mill. So that's one idea. So the way that you can tell me is not in the comments down below, but in a survey that I created. Down in the description and in the first comment is a link to a survey that's going to ask you, what projects would you like to see me help you design or help you understand how to design? So that's really what I need help from you with. If you go do that survey, there's going to be a gift for you that you are going to seriously enjoy. So you have to complete the survey in order to know what that gift is. So with that, two things I'm just going to rehash. Number one is I'm going to make myself available to mentor and coach 3 committed CNC creators who want to start a successful business and want to learn how to make that happen. And my time is not free, so there has to be a commitment there. And when there's skin in the game, we tend to pay attention to what we're being taught, and that's why I have to charge. So that's the one thing. And then the other one is I'm going to be switching out of teaching step by step in the Vectric software, and I'm going to start teaching you project work. What I'm trying to find is, what are people really interested in? Why do you want to work with a CNC router? What do you want to get out of this machine? So when you're done, you're pulling that project off of the router and you're going, this is really cool. That's what I need your help on. So if you would please, number one, email me if you're seriously interested in learning how to build a successful business. And number two, help me out with what kind of projects you'd like me to see on this channel, or you'd like me to make. You have yourself an awesome weekend. Thank you for taking a little bit with me, and thank you for being on this journey with me and showing me all the amazing creations that you make. IDC Woodcraft.com